Look at my 20s. Look at my 20s. Oh, I love them so much, you guys. Thanks to EOS for sponsoring this portion of this video.
Don't you see the silver line? Fire, fire, give me just some. Don't you see this fire, fire?
Put y'all onto this EOS extra dry lip treatment because this winter is no joke. Especially, you guys know I live in LA. It gets super duper dry here, and my lips in the winter time, I need something on them 24/7. Like, my lips be drier than the Sahara Desert. So this EOS extra dry lip treatment has been doing such a good job at keeping my lips super soft all day. I love that it gives an amazing shine to my lips because for me, not only do I want my lip treatments to keep my lips nice and smooth, but I need that gloss. I need that shine. So even putting this on top of a little bit of lip liner is so pretty for an everyday makeup look. The lip treatment also has this amazing berry flavor. So honestly, I could eat it every time I put it on. It smells so good. The formula is also made with sustainable shea, so it reinforces your natural skin barrier. So this formula delivers 24-hour moisture, and they have two different formats, so whichever one you prefer. So I prefer the tube format because I feel like it gives more of a glossy finish, but they also have a stick formula as well. You guys can get your hands on the EOS extra dry lip treatment by clicking the link in my description box down below. And thanks so much to EOS for sponsoring this portion of this video. And now back to the rest of this vlog. I want to show you guys what I'm eating for lunch because y'all know I'm on a fitness, a weight loss journey, so I can give you guys some ideas. Like you guys know, Mel eats like a pound of ground chicken every day. So this is the one he made for lunch, and I'm just eating some of it. Every day he like puts different vegetables. So today he put like carrots. So I'm gonna be eating this with a lime. I have some tahini on there. I love these half-day peach iced teas. The first time I tried this was at Air One, the grocery store. So they actually have it on Amazon. So these are so good, and they're like low calorie. They have like probiotic, but regardless, I just love the taste. So I'm having one of these, a little bit of hot sauce. And guys, these are my new obsession. I did not think these would be as good as they are. These are the Quest protein tortilla chips. I've tried the ranch flavor. This is the loaded taco flavor. It has 19 grams of protein and 4 grams of net carbs. So these are honestly delicious. They taste a lot better like with food. You can't really taste what makes them like proteiny. But yeah, this is gonna be my little meal, and I have a little tortilla on the side. Okay, where'd you get this cupcake?
It's Lily's birthday.
It's Lily's birthday?
Yeah.
So she brought cupcakes to school?
Yeah.
Mmm.
No, don't.
You want to try some?
Yeah.
Here, take a sip. Okay, Mom loves these little half-day drinks too. I was just showing you guys those little half-day drinks, and I saw they had this new flavor, but there's something off about their packaging with the new flavor. Here, let me show you what the other ones look like. So here's what the cans usually look like. I used to also order them from their website. So this is what the cans usually look like. But then these. Maybe it's a new design. But I think the old way is better. I don't know. These, right, Kay?
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. Like, is it real? Is this a knockoff?
Taking you in this moment, come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens, it's been me you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off, just relax, you deserve it. You keep me up at night, got you all on my mind. Seem like that's hard to find when they keep playing games. Gazing into my eyes, give me them butterflies. Take me from low
Definitely needed more like salt and lime flavor. Like it needed some more tartness.
Work.
Oh, to work?
Yeah.
I think this should be better, babe. See, it doesn't have the saltiness of Greek
Come
yogurt.
here, Daddy.
Better? May I put some Frank's Red in it? Hot. I think the buffalo hot sauce would be good in it. As you can see, I literally put everything in this. Here is our completed chicken salad. I swear I make it different every single time. This tastes so good on like a tortilla or with crackers or whatever. Don't mind the bottle steamer in the back, but not it being 4 in the afternoon and I'm still in pajamas. Like, I keep on telling myself, after I do this, I'm gonna go change. After I clean, I'm gonna go change. After I make this chicken salad, I'm gonna go change. And then something comes up. But this little Muchi mama was supposed to take a nap, but she doesn't want a nap. At this point, I'm gonna just keep on my jammies because I work out at night, so I'm just gonna put on my workout clothes, so why get a whole outfit dirty? But guys, I got this super unexpected package from Meshki. Like a messenger dropped it off, so I was like, what do they have here? Like, what are they trying to send me? They sent me like a cute little Valentine's Day gift. Look at this beautiful glass. They put my initials on it. They sent over some champagne and then this super cute little box of chocolates. I haven't opened them up yet. Let's see. See what they sent over. Ooh, got cute little chocolates right here. Speaking of, oh, I just dropped one. I literally just dropped that one. But speaking of chocolate, guys, I have to show you this package I got from Nutella. Super random, but they messaged me saying that February 5th was World Nutella Day. I didn't even know that was a holiday. But they are releasing 2 new items. So I want to show you guys because it's so cute. I haven't tried it yet. Guys, I am on the struggle bus with this camera right now. This lens keeps on falling off. Not just my lens attachment, like the whole entire lens falls off. So I'm trying to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. But this is the package, you guys. The tin that I came in is so cute. But I want to save this for a taste test video with Kayvon. That's why I haven't opened it up yet. But these are the 2 new items that they're releasing. I am so freaking excited to try this. If only Yasmin was here to try these with me. You guys know she loves chocolate. But they released these new little wafer, like Nutella filled wafer biscuits. And also these, well, I guess this one is more of a, what do they call this? Crispy wafer filled with Nutella. Okay, these are wafers. And then this right here are the biscuits. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are gonna be so good with like a little glass of milk or some coffee. And then they also sent me over just their, oh, is that my name? Oh my gosh, you guys, I did not know they did this. How cute is that? Okay, I don't want to open it because I want to keep this forever. Then they also sent these. These are so good, guys, the little breadsticks. I think they sent 2 of these. What's this one? Same thing? Yeah, same thing. But guys, oh my gosh, I gotta send my parents a picture. They're gonna lose their minds. Like, they used to buy me Nutella when I was younger, and I would finish a whole jar in one sitting. That's why they wouldn't buy it for me anymore, because I literally couldn't control myself. Baby. Guys, the amount of times my lens has fallen off filming this video, it's a miracle we're even getting through this video. But guys, I just had to wake up Kai from his nap because he was napping way too close to bedtime. It's almost 6:15 and their bedtime is 8. And I'm sure you guys can see Arya right next to me. She's just staring into my soul. She woke up on her own. She only slept for like 30 minutes. But usually their last nap, like close to bedtime, I like it to be really short. Like if they even do need that nap. So he was going on like an hour and some change. I am so jealous right now because my parents are in Miami visiting Yasmin and they just got there today and I still haven't talked to them today. I usually FaceTime them every single day. So I feel so bad. I told my mom I'm gonna FaceTime her in like 10 minutes and I swear like 6 hours has passed. But guys, I need a trip so bad. Mel and I were both talking about how badly we need a trip. Like I need like a true vacation. I know you guys are like, oh, you just went to Ohio. Like, no, I'm talking like a vacation. Like I wanna be like on an island in a little bikini. Honestly, Mel and I have been itching to go back to Puerto Rico. You guys know that's where we had our honeymoon. And guys, Puerto Rico is such a beautiful country. Like that's the type of vacation I want. Like I want to go to Puerto Rico and wear like cute little bikinis. And y'all know I love like South American cuisine. I love Latin food, like Dominican food, Puerto Rican food, Cuban food. That's like my type of food. So I'm itching to go. I definitely need to plan a trip to go. Maybe Mel and I can go for our, we're going on our 4-year anniversary. This March 29th, we'll be married for 4 years. That's crazy. Quick side note, you guys, my postpartum hair loss has dramatically decreased. That's why I'm comfortable wearing my hair down again. Like, I'm telling you, if I was just chilling in the house, my hair was in a tight bun or a tight braid. Like you guys saw in all my videos. Thank goodness my postpartum hair loss is like finally done, I would say. It like peaked at like 3-4 months, but now it's finally like slowed down. My mommy didn't answer, of course. Yeah, let me get them out of their little sleep sacks. I have a pumpkin pie and a pecan pie. A pumpkin and a pecan. Yeah. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Oh, you're just so happy to see me. Look at my 20s. Look at my 20s. Oh, I love them so much, you guys. I swear, whenever I look at them, I still can't believe I had twins. Like, I really had 2. I have 2 of you. I have 2 of you. I can't believe it. You guys and your big brother are my favorite people on this earth. You know that? Oh, guys, he's still so sleepy. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I know the last time I updated you guys about Kai's sleep, I was like, Kai is not sleeping. He's driving me crazy. Bro, knock on wood, Kai has been doing so much better. I don't know if it's because we've gotten stricter with our night routine and our scheduling. He sleeps a lot better now through the night. They're both sleeping in their cribs. So that's really nice. Arya has always slept longer. Like, she'll sleep in her crib all the way until morning, but Kai will wake up around like 5 a.m. and then we'll move him into our room until he wakes up for the day, which is usually around like 7. He's actually been waking up a little later than her, like 7:30, 8-ish, but that's because he wakes up in the night. She doesn't. She sleeps like all the way through. So, yeah. What is your bye-bye? I need to change their diapers. Ow! Kai's pulling my hair. Ouch! Ouch! Ow, Kai. Ow. Oh my goodness. Guys, I need some music video suggestions. Y'all see, like, when I work out now, I play music videos, and I feel like I've been watching the same music videos over and over again. So send me down below, like, your favorite music video of all time. I really wanted to cook, like, a yummy dinner, but Mel and Kayvon still aren't home yet, and it's getting pretty late. Like we said, we want to start, like, we start their bedtime routine at 7 for all the kids. So I don't know if I should just, like, cook after the kids go to sleep, but that's usually my workout time. I swear, you guys, that's what adulthood is. Like, it's just a game of choices. You have to make choices every night. There's not enough hours in the day to do everything you want to do. It's like, do I want to work out or do I want to cook like a yummy meal? I wanted to cook like steak and like a lemon pasta. I don't know why I was really craving it. I will eat you up, mister. Yeah. Oh my god, he's smiling so big. I will literally eat you up. I'm gonna toss you with olive oil and salt and pepper and roast you in the oven. He's like, okay, I didn't like that much. This little girl is just rolling around everywhere. Kai doesn't really roll as much as Arya, but we actually were talking to his doctor, and we just would joke that it's because of his size. It's because he's so big, like it's hard for him to roll. But the doctor said that probably is it. That's probably why. And also he said that 6 months is typically when babies start rolling. Guys, the lens just fell off and it literally almost knocked Kai in the head. But this, when I tell you guys the lens is off, like I'm talking about, this is literally the lens of the camera right here. See this part? This is actually like to the camera and it came off. This is like the additional lens that you screw on right here. But yeah, guys, my camera is so messed up. This is our backup camera. Our other camera is currently, I was gonna say under construction. We sent it over, we sent it to Sony to get repaired. The memory card, you guys know when you put in your memory card, it's like a spring. That spring broke. So we took it to the camera store. They had to ship it to Sony. And then Sony had to call us, ask if, you know, we wanted them to fix it. It was like $250. And part of me was like, should I just buy another camera? But the camera itself is like $700, $800. So I'm like, no, like let me just pay for the repair. And we still haven't gotten it back. So, KK's home. KK's home. Is that my KK?
Yeah.
Hi, Kay. Hi, baby. How was Target?
Your hair looks so nice.
You like my hair?
Yeah.
Thank you, baby.
With that.
It's the lens to my camera, baby.
Left my camera.
It's the lens. It fell off.
Fell off.
Yeah.
It's good here.
Yeah. Hey, babe, look at Kayvon trying to fix my camera right now. He's so smart. Oh, babe, Kayvon actually popped it on. Look at him. Good job, Kay. High five. High five, Kay. Why'd you take it off? Why'd you take it off, baby? Well, guys, that bedtime literally took 10 years. So y'all know bedtime is 8. Kayvon did not go to sleep until literally just now. It is 9:17 p.m. So he just kept on tossing and turning in bed. He would like get out. And then Kai ended up waking up while we were trying to put Vaughn to sleep. So I ordered Postmates. Like I placed the order before we even started bedtime, like at like 8. No, it wasn't 8. It was like 7:30. So our food has been sitting outside for a minute. What? I know. Our food got here forever ago. But that's parent life, huh? Just eating cold food.
We got here at 8:40.
So we're just now getting to it. So I ordered Indian food. We've been... Oh, can you give me a paper towel, babe? So I decided to try something new. So it's like a joke that everybody who like orders Indian just gets like butter chicken, like chicken tikka masala. So last time, I was like, you know what? Let me try... Look, like I made a mess. I was like, you know what? Let me try something new on the menu. So this right here is called chicken korma, I believe. And it is so good, you guys. On that note, I got garlic chicken tikka. So it's like grilled chicken. It's basically like Iranians, we have our chicken bag. It looks just like chicken bag. This is my first time getting it, but it looks delicious, you guys. You know what? I think it'll be easier for me to flip the camera. Look at how delicious that looks, you guys. So it has like onions and yeah, I can't wait to dig in. So we got rice on the side and bread. I kind of want like vegetables. Like this is giving me like Persian vibes. I want salad shirazi with it. Looks so good, you guys. I am so done with this camera. Like, y'all don't even understand at this point. Like, I think this is a sign to just buy a new camera. Like, I cannot deal. Y'all want to know the worst thing in the world? When you come upstairs, ready to just get ready for bed and go to bed, and you have no sheets on your bed. I could not put the sheets on right now. I'm just gonna have Mel do it. That's actually one of Mel's talents in life. He's so good at putting on the duvet cover, which is shocking. Like, he's just so good at it. And whenever he sees me struggling, he's like, why are you making it so difficult? Like, look, and he does it in like 2 seconds. But yeah, guys, I ended up not getting my workout in. It just got way too late in the day. And honestly, I'm really over these late night workouts. Hold on, the TV is my lighting right now and it just like dimmed. But yeah, guys, I didn't get the workout in just because it just got so late. You guys saw we didn't even eat dinner, Mel and I, until 9:15. And my last meal, you guys, was that like lunch that I made at like 2 o'clock. So I just hate leaving my workouts for the end of the night, but it's like truly the only time I can really squeeze it in. Ideally, I would love to work out midday. Like today, it was so beautiful outside and all I could envision was like opening the garage door and working out with the garage door fully open. But I was just super busy during the day. Like after I got done with work, Kayvon comes home from school and then we get into that routine. So my goal for tomorrow is to get my work done as soon as I can. Like even by like 1 p.m. so I could have some time to go work out in the garage. Speaking of TV, I want you guys to send me some show suggestions because I need something new to watch. I just finished the new season of Elite. It was so good. Oh my god, it ended on such a crazy note. Like I could not wait for the new season. So I want something like Elite. Like I want something with like lots of drama. I'm about to just take a shower and change into some new jammies and go to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more videos, and we'll see you again for our next upload. Bye guys.